Hi, thanks for watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you my refillable cups that I purchased. It comes with two, and it comes with the top here. It's easy. The top is easy to put on, easy to take off. This fits the Nutri Ninja blender models. I'll have in the link in the description the ones that it does fit. So I purchased these because I like having these because they're great storage. When I make smoothies and I want to, put them in the refrigerator, it's very sturdy. Tops are easy to put on. I think the downside about the tops is that I wish that, it's great for drinking, but I wish that they had it where you can slide to close it, especially for storage. So I have to use a foil to do that. Another thing I like about these is the max fill, because this is letting you know don't go beyond this, because if you do, it'll spill when you're trying to make your smoothies or whatever drinks you're trying to make. So overall, I think this is a good buy. It was very economical. Like I said, tops are easy to put on, take off. It fit my replacement one that I already have, and without a problem. Let me show you the top real quick. Let's see. So that's how that looks there. And like I said, if I didn't already mention it, very easy to clean because it's nice and wide. So you can get a sponge or a rag, whatever you use to get in there and get, because, you make smoothies. It can be pretty messy, especially if it's, you don't wash it right away and it dries all over the place. So this is easy to get any type of scrub brush or whatever to get in there and to clean it. So overall, I think it's a good buy, except, for the covering. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.